Django template, set checkbox checked if Object.Val equals true. I'm junior backend dev, I don't know how to use JS. I can't set true or reverse, I can't set false. My code. Let's say in players, I have 5 players, each player has a value, player_check. 2 of them have rest. I'm trying to initiate checkbox in my table with these values using or %%. I've tried. Nothing works. Then I found that checkbox has a parameter checked, so that was okay, but now I can turn it off. So I decided to use django-templates plus change in Python code. Now player.player_check equals checked or unchecked. It still doesn't work. Now I can't put, without name like, something equals foo. Now I have 0 ideas what I can do more to make it work, maybe JS. But I can't believe there is no right way to do it just in Django, Python. Uneasy face.
You can do this with, for example, an %, if ... a tag. But I think you better use Django forms, which will handle this in a more elegant way for you. You specify the form field, and Django will handle the rest. Another approach is to use the yes/no filter. This URL
javascript